In this video, I'll show you how to connect your HP Envi Inspire to your Mac computer. And I'll also show you how to print and how to use the scanner using the Wi-Fi. So let's get started right away. Step number 1, you need to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network. So let's go on the screen right over there. So the first step, obviously turn the screen on. Press the power button here, it should turn on. Then press on the top portion of the screen once. And then you're going to press on the top left corner where you see a cog wheel. Go down this small menu and select Network Setup. Select Wireless Settings. And then go down and select Wireless Setup Wizard. It will search for every single Wi-Fi network around the printer. Just give it a few seconds and you're going to see a list. Scroll down until you see your own Wi-Fi network. Mine is right over here. Click on it. And now it's time to type the password. I wish they gave you a small keyboard to type. Obviously the screen is quite small, so maybe I understand them. You'll have to tap the button associated with your letter, sometimes multiple times, to be able to select the actual letter you want. For numbers, just click here. Once your password is typed, press done. Then press OK. And then you're going to see connection successful. On top of that, if you check right there, you can also see how strong your signal is. So if you see that the signal is low, make sure that you bring this printer closer to your Wi-Fi network, to your router. Anyway, at the end, just press OK. Then on your Mac computer, you need to open the App Store. On the search bar, on the top left corner, you're going to type HP Smart and select HP Smart. Then you're going to click on this app, HP Smart for Desktop, and you're going to download it. Then open the app. Click Accept All. Set up a new printer. Click on the right side option, Already Connected Network. And then select your HP Envi Inspire printer from the list. And it will be added on the top of the HP Smart app. You'll have Finish Setup on the right side, but don't worry about that. Now, if you want to print or to scan, you'll need to connect yourself to your HP account. An HP account is free to make. It takes only 40 seconds to create one. And unfortunately, there's no way to use these features that you see here without one. Just to show you, for example, if I want to print a document, I'll go over here where it says Print Documents, press Continue, and it will ask you to log in into your HP account. So create an account or sign in if you already have one. Press OK if you see this. Press Allow Access to Photos, especially if you want to print photos. And now it's time to select the file you would like to print from your Mac computer. If the file that you would like to print is on the internet, let me show you how to do. It's about the same thing, really. So let's say I'm on this Wikipedia page and I'd like to print that. Well, I'll just go in Files, Print, and on the top here, where it says Printer, you're going to select your HP printer. Then make sure these over there, these settings are okay with you. For example, this is a 27-page document. I'll just want to print the first page, so I'll just select 1-to-1. And when you're ready, press Print. You can do the same thing I just showed you here with any PDF document as well. You will not need to use the HP Smart app in the future if you want to print. You can simply go in File and select Print. And when you're done, select Print. Now let me show you how to use the scanner. So depending on which HP Envi Inspire printer you have, you may have one scanner like this one or two scanners like a top document feeder. I'll show you how this one is working. So take your document. Let's say I want to scan this over here. I'm going to place it facing down with the top part of the document towards the left side. You see, this is my document. I place it like this. Now you're going to make the corner of the paper touch the corner of the scanner over here, the top left one. Simply glide it until both of these corners are touching. Then close the lid. On your Mac computer, let's close this. Let me go back on the main menu of the HP Smart app, and I'm going to select Printer Scan. Here, make sure that the printer is actually selected, the right one. Source, if you're using the scanner glass, the one that I just showed you, leave it scanner glass. If you're using the top document feeder, select top document feeder, or sometimes it's called ADF. Then presets, you can leave it to document, but if you're printing, if you're scanning a picture, you can select photo. And then for the other settings, it really depends. Do you want in color or in black and white? Page size, you can select the size of the paper you have inserted, or simply leave it to entire scan area. And then resolution, over here, it really depends. If you're scanning a text file, I suggest you leave it to 200 dpi. This is enough details for any text, or any text that has some graphics like this one. 200 dpi gives you enough resolution. But if you're scanning pictures and you want the maximum details, or maybe a painting, something where details are very important, then you need to select the highest DPI number. Here is 1200 DPI. The thing is, if you're going to select a highest number, it will also take more time to scan. If you choose 200 DPI, usually it's done in around 14 seconds, the scan. If you're choosing 1200 DPI, it can take a minute or 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It will take a longer time because the scanner needs to capture more details. For this example, I'll select 200 DPI. And then press scan. So this is done, you see, quite quickly. You see the paper appearing. Again, around 14 seconds from the moment you press scan to the moment you can actually see the scan on the computer. Here we go. So here you're going to have the preview, and we're not done yet. You can edit it. You can scribble if you want to do, I don't know, to make an annotation, to circle things on your scan. You can extract text that is here, and you can also rotate your scan if it's not the right way. So the scan is not yet saved. You need to press the save button on the top right corner if you want to save it. And here you will be able to give this scan a new name, and also to select which kind of file you want to save, so a PDF or a JPEG. Then press continue and you'll be able to save it on your Mac. You can also press the share button here if you want to share it on social media or email. And finally you have print if you want to print whatever you just scanned. So you have these three options. The other ones, not many people will use it. And if your document has multiple pages, you can go ahead, insert the next page on the scanner, and then press add scan. This way you'll have multiple pages and you'll be able to combine it in one PDF file. But overall, this is it. This is how you print and scan using your Mac and your HP Envi Inspire printer. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below and subscribe.